Hi everyone, Deb here. I just wanted to share a small little haul. Actually, it's like 2 hauls and a gift from Stampin' Up! And from my upline. So I'll do the hauls first. At the end of July, closed out a workshop, and I also placed a small demonstrator order. So on the demo order, I got this Angels of Peace because I really wanted this for the angels and the peace on earth, goodwill toward men, and also sometimes angels are just good people with kind hearts. So, and you're an angel. I like it. So, here it is. It is a cling stamp, and yeah, pretty much looks like that. I'll use that at some point here before December. It has 8 stamps, and it's on page 42 of the new July to December 2021 mini catalog that was effective August 3rd instead of July. And then also on this same page, I got this embossing folder, Merry Melody 3D embossing folder, and I can't wait to use that. I think they have maybe used it on a sample card here. But yeah, I like embossing folders to just add some texture and make things pop a little more. And I like music and sheet music, so there we have it. I don't know what song it plays. You know, it is, but maybe it's Angels We Have Heard on High. I don't know. Anyway, that is one thing I got as a set. And then back on page 17, I had gotten this painted Christmas suite, except that I didn't get either of these bundles originally, and I couldn't decide which one, but I decided to go with the one that had the sentiments, which is Christmas to Remember bundle. The bundle number is 156806. It's on page 17, as well as a little bigger on page 19. And what sold me is this one has a lot of pine cones and labels. I don't really feel like I need the labels, but I wanted these layered pine needles and pine cones for the backgrounds to try them. And then there's these individual pine cones, small ones and larger. And it looks like you get a background one and then your layering piece that would go on top. So those are the Christmas pine cone dies, and they coordinate with Christmas to Remember stamp set. And again, they're bundled for 10% savings at 156806 is the number for those. And then I had ordered, I think it was Peaceful Cabin. Let me go check. Something, it was a whole suite, and I'm pretty sure it was a Peaceful Cabin or something like that, that had the frosted winter. Here it is, Peaceful Place. No, that's not it. Maybe it was Whimsy and Wonder. Sorry. Yeah, I had ordered Whimsy and Wonder, and I had ordered the whole suite, and I got everything except these wonderful snowflakes. So I just want to show you, I got them. I might have shown these before, I don't remember. Anyway, because I might have got 2 packs of them. They are an iridescent paper, thin kind of paper, and they're not adhesive backed, but you get, let me see how many, 24 iridescent snowflakes, and they're a decent size, so they'll be nice on cards or tags, anything. Cards more probably. So if you get 24 of them, they're 6 to a sheet, so there's 4 sheets in here. I'll put that away later. And then because I got all that, I was eligible for a celebration item, and I got one more pack of this Bedazzling 6x6 specialty paper, which I've already shown, but it's in the celebration brochure, and which looks like, here it's on page 3, and it's really kind of cool. It has glitter. It doesn't really come off on your hands at all that I can see. Now, it will dull your blades. It says in the catalog, in the celebration brochure, over time. it'll accelerate dulling your metal dies. So it'll dull them. So up to you if you want to do that, but I thought that would be pretty on ornaments, be pretty with the pine cones. So I mostly wanted it for the pine cones. And I have another pack. So that is a celebration item, free with a $50 purchase. Here they've used it with the pine cones and needles too. And then I also got one more pack of these gold, they're like a fabric-y holly leaves. They're really pretty. And gold holly leaves, you get 30 in there. I think there's 2 sizes. And then I actually got 2 more packs of these, and they'll be customer gifts coming hopefully soon sometime. And then that's it for my orders. And then my wonderful upline sent me a happy mail for hitting a certain level in the month of June, and it was a what color is this? Polished pink ribbon. Now I already have one, so this will also go in my giveaway bin here. And then also, I really hadn't ordered any Memories and More cards. I did recently, but I didn't get this pack. This is called the What a Year Memories and More card pack. And I think this is in the annual catalog, if I'm not mistaken. Let's open it up and see what's in here, because I had not really paid attention much to these. These are like the Project Life, if you're familiar with that. And I think though that this is more planner or calendar driven, or yeah, see, weeks 1 through 51 apparently. No, this is not all the weeks on it, but and then there's dates stickers, so this would be good for a planner. Yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and some other little sentiments. So that's that. And then these are the 4x6. Now, so Stampin' Up, if you watched my case of card, you'll know I use the Stampin' Up Memories and More cards and envelopes, the plain white, basic white ones. They come in 2 sizes that fit your 3x4 and your 4x6 Memories and More cards. But the ones I just ordered go with the gingerbread because they just became available on the 4th. Well, that's pretty bright and vibrant. That could be used as a background on a card for anything, right? And same with that. Well, these are pretty. You and Me for Valentine's or whatever. And scissors. Good times, good times, good times. These are kind of nice. They're more, I could use them for more all occasion kind of stuff. Kind of whimsical rainbows and little flowers. For the Record for journaling. Colorful scissors. I don't know exactly what that is. This is real faint yellow, so saffron, kind of dots. And then we have a bee. Bees are a thing this year. And this side has Happy Little Moments, Hello Sunshine, and a bee on it, like a teal. Actually, that's probably Coastal Cabana. This again looks like Poppy Parade. We have a bold stripe, some clouds, hooray hooray, a wood grain and a pink, polished pink probably, the little things, this and that, memorable moments. These are like stitched flower shapes. Bliss, that's a pretty journaling card. Happy as Can Be, red sort of crosshatch pattern, looks like Poppy Parade. A doily kind of thing that would make a nice card thing too, and then put the sentiment in the middle. Maybe some bling and ribbon or a background color. That's cute with a heart. Some keys. These definitely are for journaling. I can see doing a journal. Here's Color Your Own Flowers in a Bee, right? I like this side. And this looks like soft succulent evening evergreen. Some houses, townhouses. Noted. Celebrate. Keys. Bright flowers. Potted flowers. Pretty little flower. And here's sort of a scheduling Monday through Sunday. Journaling. Another one you could put a circle there. Enjoying every moment and true story. So that's the 4x6. And then we have the 3x4s. Did not get that cut. Let me come back. Okay, so the 3x4s today was, again, the scissors, the floral. I'm going to kind of go quickly through these keys again. Another pretty floral. Happy, happy, happy. I could see putting that on a card and then have birthday down here or on the inside or something. Hi there, an evening evergreen and soft succulent. Here's the story journaling card. Plaid. A bunny. Oh, that's a cute bunny. This week we did amazing things. Scissors. Monday through Sunday. Rainbow. Won't ever forget. So these are in, I have to find the page in the annual catalog. They're in the back. Watercolory. That's pretty. Doily. Always. And flowers. Birds. So, and a big ampersand, which I never use, but I would use the birds. Smile. Smile, smile. Happy day. Life is beautiful. And a pretty background. I mean, I could just use that as a background for something and with stamped other images to make a card. Love this in a house. Remember this. Pretty flowers. Date and notes. And I'm sure like this, I know coordinates with the stamp set I don't have. I love that cloud image. You make my heart happy. Yellow wood grain instead of pink this time. Kind of a weird stripe. A little doily on a, looks like petal pink or pale papaya probably. And that's not coming in clear, but it has dots here in the, there, well, almost. Oh, it's a little too light for the camera, I think. So that's the days. What a year. Memories and More card pack. It's item 155662. And thank you to my upline, and she gave me another pack of these, and I will put them in my giveaway bin too. So thank you so much for watching my little haul, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be back soon with some other things. I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye for now.